What's up YouTube, what's up everybody, it's your boy Kanzi Beat right here with another video. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to master, and I won't say how to master the right or the proper way because there isn't any right or proper way of mastering. We all have our way of mastering, you know. So first of all, I'm going to talk about what mastering is. Mastering is making your beat loud properly, not making it too loud. It's not good to listen to, but it's just loud enough. It's loud in the proper way. Before I get to today's video, leave a like, subscribe, make sure you subscribe, click that subscribe button right now. Yes, you click it right now, and make sure to click on the notification button so you can get notified for my next video. Okay, let's get to the video. Let's go. Okay, on today's video now, I have this beat I made. It's not mastered, it's okay, it's just default. Now there are two ways I use to master. There are two ways I'm going to show you guys, not two ways I use, but there are two ways I'm going to show you guys how to master. The first way is using the limiter, and second is using the fruity multiband compressor. Which any is good, but you don't have to use both of them at a time at once, but you have to select which is good for you. There are different ways, there are a lot of different ways to master, but I'm just going to pick these two and show you for the video of this, for the sake of this video. Sorry. Okay, let's go. I'm going to play the beat for you guys to listen. So as you can hear, the beat is normal, it's okay, it's well. I leveled it. If you don't know what leveling is or how to level your mix, I have a video. I'm going to leave the link down in the description. You could go watch that and come back to this on how to master. You can't master without good leveling, so make sure you level your beats, level your mix, learn to level or learn to mix properly. So we're going to head to the first step, which is using the limiter. The only thing you need to think of when using the limiter is the gain, ceiling, and the saturation. You do not want to mess around with this button right here. You need it to be okay. You need that to just be the way it is. Now, the first thing I do whenever I'm using the limiter is I increase the gain. Now, if increasing the gain isn't loud for you, then I would advise you increase the ceiling a little bit. The ceiling is going to give it more room above 0 dB. You can see that's what the ceiling does. So, but you do not want anything to be above 0 because it's going to be too loud. So that's when the saturation comes in. What this does is bring everything below 0 or at 0, minus 0 dB. So what you do is you raise the saturation. I think this much is good. Now you can see everything is below 0, below minus 0, or even at 0. And increasing the gain too much is going to make your beats muddy, it's going to make it distorted, it's going to make it too loud. So I think this much is good. Alright, let's get to the second step. Now the second step, we're going to use the fruity multiband compressor, which I use maybe 5 out of 10 times, or I use most at times. I'm going to load up the fruity multiband compressor. Sorry. Now what you're going to do with this is you're not going to mess around with any button. You just have to load up a preset. It's called mastering 2.4 dB. You click on that. Now listen to the beat. Now what you have to do is increase the gain to where it's best for you. You can see the limiter is on. It's not going to be above minus 0, or it's going to be at 0. It's not going to exceed it. I think I like it this loud, this much. You don't want it to be too loud. So guys, these are the two ways I am going to use for you guys in this video. I know there are probably more ways you can do this with, but I'm just going to show you guys how to do it with these stock plugins in FL Studio. And I hope this video was really helpful for you guys, and I hope you guys understood everything I've said in this video. Do not forget to go check out the mixing tutorial I have right there in the description, so you can know how to mix or how to level your mix properly in FL Studio. Now, thank you guys for tuning in, and make sure to subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe. Click that subscribe button right now, and go check out the tutorial I have right in the description about mixing, so you can know how to properly level your mix. Thank you guys for tuning in. It's Kanzi Beats once more. Hey, let's go.